right, distortion is on.
So Nova, what did you do there? You put the distortion pedal in the log?
Yeah, it's set right in here. And I figure we can put another pedal here. And make room for 3 pedals. Wires coming out this way, in this way.
Multi-sound whenever we want.
Yeah.
Sound on delivery.
How about some food on delivery?
I mean, I really feel like getting some tacos. It'd be nice if we could walk out our door and then there's a taco stand right there.
Like a taco vending machine. And then we'd only have to make the vending machine once, and then we could have tacos forever, right?
Forever.
Yeah.
Then we could stay and play.
Well, do you guys want to figure out how to make a taco vending machine?
That sounds good. Let's do it.
It's a modern-day catastrophe we've all experienced at one point in our lives. We want to eat tacos, but there's nowhere within walking distance of our home where we can find some. We need it fresh, so we've decided to make the world's first real ATM machine, an automated taco machine, so we can have tacos whenever we want and fresh. First, we're going to go to a Mexican restaurant to figure out how they make them, but first we have to figure out how to design this ATM. Let's go, guys.
Hey, Martin.
Yo.
What was your favorite taco?
Was in the Baja. They were fish tacos because there's an abundance of fish in the Baja.
They're portable, right? Like they're better than sandwiches because you don't have to eat all that bread.
Yeah.
I called up my friend Amy. She's Mexican and she's a good cook. And she recommended Jacalito as a restaurant to go try some tacos. What are you guys thinking?
Thinking tacos?
Yeah.
In my mouth.
Yes. So how are we gonna build this thing?
Let's draw something up. See what we get.
The first layer is the tortilla. We need to figure out a mechanism to make sure that the tortilla lays out in a way that our ingredients can fall onto it.
A baseball mitt.
What holds the baseball mitt?
The guy making like $6 million a year.
Right.
So he's at the bottom of the machine, like holding all of our tacos.
Like the helping hand.
So that's the base, right?
That's home base.
And then the tortillas, right?
Yeah.
Let's keep going with
No,
the
yeah.
analysis.
So let's put it somewhere in the machine so we have a sense of how this machine's looking.
Oh,
Down
okay.
low, because everything has to fall into it.
Down low. So let's just
Well, I was thinking they could be on a carousel, you know, like a record or a
Merry-go-round?
disc. Yeah.
Next layer.
Is the meat.
So it almost has to like be cascading on its own cooking surface, like wax paper, go around a bend so that the dirty surface gets stored somewhere else.
Maybe it's some kind of thing where there's a slide, and then
Yeah.
the meat slides down, but it's a slow slide, and then there's hot air blowing on it when it slides down from the roll into the taco.
How about if the slide itself is hot?
Oh, so the paper goes above the hot slide?
Yeah.
So it's a journey. It's a journey off the roll onto the hot slide.
That's brilliant.
For the guacamole and the salsa and the sour cream, I feel like we could make use of 3 pastry bags, maybe a roller that goes across the bags. An equal distribution of like.
I think a paddle wheel would take care of the chunkier stuff.
But in terms of lettuce and tomatoes.
Right, so you have like a Tupperware bin with a hole in the bottom, and the paddles just doled out the perfect amount.
I'm just curious what's going to keep someone standing here for however long it takes to have the taco made.
We could have a tape player kick in. It could be like, you know, those tapes that are like, now turn the page.
Right.
So it could be like, now
Right.
flip this lever and you'll get this in your taco.
We should patent this. It's brilliant.
ATM, TM. Oh, thank you.
Awesome. Well, we should probably ask some questions in the chef about the different variations and kind of the classic ingredients.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm really curious about the spicing that is used in Mexican cuisine.
Okay, there's lots of spices. This is called chipotle pepper. It's very hot. It's cooked with some onion, cumin, and garlic.
What was in the green sauce? We were trying to figure it out.
It's green tomatillo with avocado,
Okay.
onion, garlic, coriander. You can put anything in there that's supposed to be a taco. It could be beans or vegetables, meat, whatever. That's what a taco is.
The definition of a taco is anything you put inside of a tortilla. This is our automated taco machine, which is somewhat more complicated. We're heading to a vending machine place right now to see how they're assembled, and after that we're heading to the market to buy some food, some supplies, and then we're gonna be making it. the world's first ATM machine.
Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to Broker House.
Thank you.
This machine here
Oh, yeah.
is a refrigerated machine, and it has the different compartments.
The circuitry in this thing is so complicated. You could probably check the internet with that.
You've got your control buttons here that'll
Right.
rotate the carousel,
Right.
and then you pull on the door.
Right.
It opens up,
Right.
and you would grab your product and go eat it. Generally, most operators out there will keep food in here for about 2 to 3 days.
How much would you pay for a taco?
That's a good question. $2?
Yeah.
Hey, does that sound right?
That sounds perfect, yeah. Perfect.
What do you think a taco's going to cost you?
3.
Oh, really? So you're not making much money, but it's only at 2.
John, thanks a lot. We have to go grab some food for this vending machine.
And good luck.
Thanks a lot.
We will.
Thank
Really
you.
appreciate it.
Thanks again.
See you later.
Lime, spices, tomatillos, chiles, corn flour, and coriander. Nobu grabbed this, thinking we would fry it up for dinner.
I don't know whether you can actually fry that up for dinner.
Aloe tortilla in a tortilla could be a great taco. We've got everything we need to make our automated taco machine, the world's first real ATM. We've got the food, we've got the supplies, we think we have the know-how, and hopefully we'll be able to do it so we can be eating fresh tacos anytime, anywhere, whenever we want. We were really craving tacos, but there was nowhere within walking distance we can get any. So we decided to make our own with an automated taco machine, which is basically like a super vending machine. We've got all the ingredients to make the tacos, we've got all the supplies to make the automated taco machine. Now we just have to do it, and I guess write a letter to somebody requesting good luck. Hot off the press. So we have 6 essential parts to this taco machine. A box that we are going to fill in with all of our satellite pieces that are going to come together to make our tacos, which
Right.
are Chris's carousel,
Yeah.
which is going to bring the tortillas around, your,
Taco meat roll heat slide.
that's right, my pastry bags, which are
Right.
going to be the condiment drops. We got to figure out a way to attach them with a rolling pin that's going to go across so
Right.
they drop responsibly into the tortilla.
And then we have to create a pico de gallo
Automat.
automat. Yeah.
Pico de gallo is just a fancy way of saying tomatoes and lettuce.
Tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. And then the hi-fi system, too, is
right.
another element that we have to build.
What's first?
The box. This is the last piece of the box. Are you guys ready?
Yeah. Sure.
To be locked in?
Yeah.
How's it feel in there?
It's intimate. So this has a dual function, eh? Got
Yeah.
a little like moon here. I'm gonna drill a hole through this, put it on a threaded rod, put the saw blade on the top, and I'm gonna make a ratcheter so that this will stay still, but a paddle inside will turn and push the pico de gallo outside of the exit.
I grommeted the heck out of these pastry bags, all right?
It's very yacht club.
Yeah.
If this is mounted to a hinge, where it can like hinge in and out, then we have something that we can adjust the pressure on by tightening this side up.
So these guys are all ready to go. And then I was gonna attach them to our turning wheel. I imagine the kettle will be somewhere down here. Oh, nice. So this is gonna have pico de gallo in it
Right.
because it has a smaller hole,
Yeah.
and this is gonna have lettuce in it.
Yeah. Drill a hole right here and then have a bar that comes out the front. Okay, watch falling.
I think I yelled even before it hit my foot.
Dude, this is the first vending machine we've made together.
I know. May there be many more.
Oh man, this thing's totally crooked, dude.
What?
I was like,
I thought that's the way you wanted it because you were holding it that way.
Toledo.
That's a good view, Nobu.
Yeah.
Why you put something through there, Nobu?
With my woodpecker.
You did a beautiful job on this.
It's incredible, man.
It's pro.
What is a recipe that you guys usually use for salsa?
I just do tomatoes, tomatillos, fresh onions, cilantro, lime juice, sometimes vinegar, and oregano.
Should I just throw the tomatoes just whole into the blender?
You might want to core these parts
so?
out. Yeah.
Really? Do you think that makes a difference?
Yeah, it does. Okay. Well, here, eat one of these versus eating some of that.
This actually probably tastes better than a tomato.
Martins,
Yeah.
you have plans for the tamarind?
That was to be the secret ingredient of the mole.
Oh, with the chicken?
A bit of tartness, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Whoa, that's insane.
Okay, so that's the rehydration system.
awesome.
Yeah, like put your hands in there. Is it too hot?
Pardon?
Well, his hands are wet.
right.
They're protected.
Oh no, it's actually pretty hot. Actually,
So the customer, can't dally.
it looks like the future.
It does.
The future of fast foods, right here.
Does Nobu win the taco?
I just have to throw the garlic into salsa.
Right.
It's a nice mix between liquefied and chunky.
Yeah, that looks
Onions,
good.
tomatoes, tomatillos, coriander. You gotta throw some garlic in and the oregano.
That's awesome.
It's fresh, tart, garlicky, but not too garlicky.
All right, should we test it out? Yeah. Okay.
It's kind of a big moment because we're trying it for the first time.
Yeah.
And I thought,
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking right here.
What a great
Oh,
pond.
nice.
Fill it up.
Let's see. Yeah, I think we can fill it up.
This is gonna be really tight.
It's really bulging.
Yeah,
I think we overfilled
we
it.
overfilled.
Yeah.
Oh,
really?
We overfilled for sure. We gotta turn that steam off too. It's getting really hot. Half that amount.
Okay.
All right.
All right. We're a little ambitious.
We're getting excited.
And that will roll up. Yeah, that's much easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. The first woodpecker fueled salsa dispenser.
Nice.
All right, here we go.
Yep.
All right.
All right,
Yep.
here we go.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Kind of sprayed everywhere. What? Okay, ease off on it, man. Zip back up. Yeah.
What's a salsa taco? It's still a taco. Anything inside a tortilla is a taco.
Oh, well, at least we saved half.
Yeah.
The handle worked.
We decided to make an automated taco machine so we could have tacos anytime we wanted, really close to the loft. Unfortunately, we had a break in the chain. We had a little bit of a dump. The salsa went everywhere. So now we have to fix it if we want to have some tacos. The problem with the woodpeckers, you don't know how far you're supposed to bring it down.
Even just a meter on the outside, like an incremento salsa meter.
In keeping with the theme of the woodpecker, we could have a little log there on the outside, like a graphic interface, and then have little worms.
Right.
That the woodpecker goes for.
Less salsa in the bags,
Yeah, less salsa in the bags.
worms on the log,
Worms on
to
the log.
indicate how far to move down,
Yeah.
Right.
and then everything else we need to build for the machine.
What else do we need to do to finish this thing up so it's serving up hot tacos?
Remember, you were talking about audio.
Cool, let's check it out. That was perfect.
No, it's good.
Let's use it. Wait, that's done.
All right, good, brilliant.
Awesome. How's the meat roll loader going?
Meat roll loader is going well. So the journey of the meat is going to be off the spool. It's going to be a little roller here. It's going to go onto the meat slide, which is going to be hot, in which we can adjust the perfect temperature.
That's so incredible.
There's a little detail on this. This is the switchback point for where the meat gets separated from the paper. Okay, lettuce, tomatoes, chico de gallo, sliding down here.
Yeah.
To the taco in waiting.
That's right.
And now I'm going to engage the taco in position so I can get the sour cream and guacamole.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh, okay. Look at that.
Totally.
It reset itself.
It goes forward and back. That's awesome.
Okay, and then now I'm going to put some guacamole on into the first worm.
Because it's been like adequately steamed.
We've got this thing pretty much ready to go.
Let's do some chicken. Remember when Antonio was showing us his tacos? It was just salt, garlic, and pepper.
Yeah.
But then he had a chipotle sauce that he would put in some of the chicken later on.
Right.
That's what I was thinking is this could be like a chipotle sauce with a little cumin, a little paprika, some garlic,
And some pepitas.
your magic tamarind.
Yeah.
pepitas, a little bit of chocolate, so we can grate up.
What kind of chocolate is this?
It's Mexican chocolate, 100% natural and delicious. Oh,
Handmade.
yeah, that's beautiful.
Totally handmade.
Nobu, think about that smell come out with the chipotle. So I'm just gonna toast the pepitas.
It's pretty. It's just go back and forth.
Oh yeah.
That's smoky, sour, sweet, hot.
Yeah.
Should I blend them up with the chipotles, you think, Martins?
Will you eat pepitas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna seed the chipotle peppers. I think chipotles are on the medium hot side.
I'm gonna start chunking up the chocolate.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to try a little bit of it?
I think we should.
Sure.
It's really brittle.
That's just chili and chocolate right now.
Maybe we should try it.
A little bit of pepita.
Lots of pepito. Wow.
I want a pillow made of that. It's gonna be
hot.
It's gonna be really hot.
Yeah, maybe we need like a chaser just in case.
Well, it's definitely hot.
Yeah.
And I'd say it's definitely the right type of hot. I think it's medium hot.
It's a creeper.
Yeah.
They're like,
The Grim Creeper.
It's really tingly, top of the head hot.
All right, let's put some of the sauce on the chicken. It's amazing. It's kind of like stuccoing the chicken. Ah, it looks good.
Looks great.
looks awesome.
It's gonna be hot.
It's perfect. Let's
Right.
get this meat spool going, right? We're gonna fill the machine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The machine's all clean, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
And
Everything's washed, everything's vacuumed.
but it's in a shop area.
Should we move into the kitchen?
Well, maybe we should move
Really
into
great.
the kitchen, but maybe we should also just take some protective measures to not get any more shop dust and stuff in the food.
Even Brooklyn is excited about the world's first ever automated taco machine. We've assembled it, we're taking it out for a little walk, we're gonna give it a shot. Guys, do you think it's gonna work?
Oh yeah,
Convinced.
100%.
We'll see. We were hanging in the space and we got hungry for tacos. We came up with a drawing for the world's first taco plex. And here it is. Actually, the world's first O-Taco Mart, an automated taco maker. And we finally have tacos within walking distance of our living space. It's ready to serve tacos and we're ready to eat. So we decided it's $1?
No, this is step number 1.
All right.
Yeah, actually, it actually works without any money.
It is Antonio.
How are you?
How's it going?
Hey. You mentioned this to me the other day, but I just couldn't believe it. I'm taco Matt.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, maybe we can make you a taco.
Okay.
All right, we'll walk you through the steps. This is step number 1. I think this is really about donations more than anything.
So I just push it?
Yeah. There you go. There we go.
Check it out.
The light came on.
And the steam will start coming up to keep the tortillas fresh.
Number 2 is the chicken slide.
What's with this skunk?
Oh, this is the handle.
Just a handle?
Just the handle.
I hope they're not smelly tacos.
If you turn that a few times, then the chicken rolls off the roll and then starts heating up down the slide. There's a hot plate, and then it slowly makes its way to the taco that's waiting there in the rack.
Okay.
This is number 3. And this is for the pico de gallo and the lettuce.
So I like pico de gallo a lot.
You like it a lot? Okay, then push it a few times. There you
One.
go.
And then number 4 is you have to advance the taco. So just pull this out and then let it go back. Like pull it out all the way.
Oh my God,
by
it's
then-
there,
by then-
it's ready. Wow.
Before you do anything.
Before that?
Yeah.
You want some salsa, guacamole, and sour cream. You pull this out and to the next worm.
The next worm.
And this is the last step. Number 6 is to retrieve your taco and enjoy.
And here we go.
Yeah.
Hey man, this is hot.
You know, it makes a really, 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 really beautiful taco. Look at it.
And really automatic.
Yeah, it's not bad for a machine.
Yeah.
You know? The ratio is not bad in terms of what you get when what you pull.
A bit of lime in there too. I think we put lime in the pico de gallo, so I think it's got a little bit of tartness too. It's nice.
A lot of lime as well in the guacamole and also the tomatillos in the salsa. Right? So that contributes to the tartness.
I like the chicken. The chicken is good. And your recommendation to do the chipotles, I think, was a really good idea.
I hope you don't put one close to my restaurant.
You think that's an authentic taco?
Better than some, you know?
Better than some, worse than others.
Worse than others, of course.
I mean, it's convenience more than anything else.
It's not, Mexico in a box by any means.
But why would you want to put Mexico in a box?
No,
Right?
but it does get us tacos just around the corner.
We're gonna leave the machine here. Some people might drop by, check it out. They might get hungry themselves and pick up some tacos.
Yeah, maybe we should
maybe-
go get some flan and Antonio.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go back to your restaurant.
go,
have
yeah.
some dessert.
All right.
Yeah,
some
it's a
plan.
little bit warmer there.
Okay, good call.
Okay, let's go.
Makkaahan rollaa torilla, jotta kumit sauhuaa. Yritän väistellä liukumiinoja. Vedän karvapersen